So first we're gonna take one A4 sheet, a pencil and a scale. And step 1 is going to be, we need a triangle where all the sides are 10 centimeters. So let's make our first triangle 10, 10 and 10. So if one side is a little more than 10 or less than 10, it's completely fine. Now let's make another triangle over here again where all the sides are 10 centimeters. Now these two triangles are going to be your rocket wings. So you can take any color of your choice and try to color this in any design that you wish for. So I'm just gonna draw a few triangles. And 3 stars. And almost something similar here. You can have the same design or different of your choice. That's completely okay. It's your rocket, so you decide how does it look. And let me just finish coloring the blues, my triangles and my stars. For the base color, I'm planning to take a red. Okay, so let's color. When you're coloring the base, and don't worry if it goes a little outside the pencil line, because we're gonna cut it in our next step. So it's gonna be all fine. So as you can see, for me also, it's gone a little outside. That's okay. And you don't have to stick to the design and the color that I am doing. You can choose any color, any design of your choice. It's your rocket. Also, both the wings need not be same. If the design and the colors are different, it's okay. So for this one, I have taken a red color as the base color. For this other wing, I'm planning to take a green. Yes? I hope it looks nice. Oh, the red and blue combination looks better than the green and blue. What say, guys? And also, I think I missed out on coloring this blue star. I'll do that after I finish the green base. Here I'm just going to finish the blue. Now, once you're done coloring your wings, I want you to cut them. So now we're going to cut the triangle, the pencil lines. So let's start cutting. So this is what I was saying, that if your color has gone outside the triangle, the pencil line is completely fine, because we're going to cut them all out. Yes, so this is your triangle 1, wing 1. The wing 2 is just getting cut. Now I'm repeating again, it's okay. You can decide your own design, you can decide your own colors. The two wings can be of the same color, can be of a different color. That's completely fine. So these are your two wings. So I'm going to keep them separate for now. Now for step 3, we're going to take the other A4 sheet. Now for this, first I want you to fold the sheet into half, end to end. Perfect. And now I want you to cut on this folded line. So let's get cutting. we'll have two of these halves. We're going to keep one half aside. We're not going to use this. We're going to use only one half. Now for this half, I want you to fold it into half again and make sure that it's vertical and not horizontal. Not like this, vertical. And I want you to fold it into half like you did previously and fold it properly. Okay. Now again, we're going to open it and cut on this fold. Let's start cutting. Okay, so you're going to have two halves like that. Again, we're going to use only one half. Now for the next step, I want you to carefully see what I'm doing and then follow it. So take this half, keep it horizontally like I've kept it on the table. Take the straw that you have and start rolling the paper on it. So I'm going to turn it so it's easier for me to roll. So as you can see, I've rolled the paper on the straw, and it has to be not that tight. The straw should be able to go through and through, and I want you to put sellotape on these two ends. So let's put some sellotape. Make sure that both your ends have sellotape so that it doesn't open up. You don't want your rocket to open mid-air, right? It's going to all fall apart. So I'm going to put sellotape on both the ends. And make sure that it's not very tight so that your straw can go through and through. Next step. Now if you see in this pipe, both the sides are open, right? I want you to take one side, pinch it and put some sellotape so that this end is shut. So pinch it properly and put a sellotape from this side to this side. I've put one. I'm going to put other one because I've covered only half of the opening. There goes the other half. So as you can see, your pipe will have one open and one close end. Make sure that it's not tight enough. Your straw can still pass through it. Not through and through because we've shut this. So just a little bit. Now that you have all your material ready, the only thing left, guys, is to assemble your rocket. So this is the final step. We're going to keep the straw aside for now. And we're going to keep the pipe aside for now. Let's take the two wings. Now for the wings, I want you to fold it into half where the design is inside. So this corner to corner I'm going to fold. So this is how I folded one. The same thing I'm going to do for the other one. This corner will meet this corner. This is your other wing. Now finally is assembling your rocket and the wings. So what are we going to do is we're going to apply some glue on this edge, the folded edge, and stick it at the opening end, not at the closed end. So it's going to be at the opening end like this. So let's put some glue over here. So I'm repeating again, you have two edges, one is shut, one is open. Your wing has to be closer to the opening side. So this is how I've put one wing. Now put some pressure on this side of the wing so that it sticks properly and the glue dries. Till this one is drying, let's put the other wing. So like I said, if you guys remember, you have to put glue on the folded side. Okay, so let's put some glue. And like the first wing, we're going to stick it where? On the opening side. So let's stick the wing here. So both our wings are drying right now. I'm going to just press them lightly where the glue is so that it dries. So guys, your rocket and your launcher, they're ready. Do you want to learn how to fly this? Let's give them a try. Now place the rocket. This is your rocket. Now place the rocket in your straw. And don't push it, just put it lightly so that it's not stuck. So I've just dropped it, and you're going to blow air from here. Okay, so let's try to do it. So guys, this is going to be a start line, and I'm going to try to launch the rocket in three different directions. So first, let's try pointing it extremely up, straight to the ceiling. So it launched only the here. I'm going to keep a red pencil over there so that we know till where it has reached. Now, let's try to launch it straight, pointing extremely straight. Okay, so I'm going to push the orange pen here. And now, I'm going to do it not straight but not extremely like pointing up also, but in the middle. Okay, so it's going to be inclined. Whoa! So guys, I want you all to, whenever you launch your rocket, I want you to see the rocket how it's flying.